Connecting to data is the first step in the Tableau desktop workflow. Here, we'll cover the basic steps for connecting to a local data source file in preparation for data analysis. Tableau Desktop opens on the Start page, where the area on the left lists options for connecting to a data source. You can connect to local files on your computer or to data on a server, including relational databases. This launches the Data Source page, where we select the tables or sheets that we want to use from our data. Under Connections, we see the name of the Excel workbook we've connected to. Under Sheets, we find the worksheets in the workbook. Before we can go further, we need to choose the sheets we want to work with. Let's choose a single sheet for now, called Orders. To access this data, drag the sheet over to where it says Drag Sheets Here. Note that you can also double-click the sheet to add it. A preview of the first 1,000 rows of data appears in the lower part of the window, with the name of the Orders worksheet displaying at the top. Here, we can review the arrangement of the data, looking at the field names and the data types assigned to the fields, such as date, string, and integer. We can edit this type of information, or metadata. For example, you might want to rename or hide a field, or group or split columns. Maybe you want to change a field's data type. These changes can only affect data that appears in Tableau Desktop. They have no effect on the underlying data source. To start working with data, click Sheet 1. This opens the desktop workspace, where you use the fields in your data source to build visualizations and start your data analysis. This will be detailed in the next demo in this module. We've looked at data connection options, connected to an Excel data source, previewed the data, and opened a new worksheet. Now, you can try this yourself. In the activity that follows this demo, you'll connect to a data source file to practice the initial step in the Tableau desktop workflow.